USVI News, your Virgin Islands connection.
Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us for USVI News. I'm Emily Matson. Several local martial arts students are now in Atlantic City, New Jersey, where they are competing at a major international karate tournament. Representing the territory are students from the Shen Dragon Karate Dojo in St. Thomas. The karate tournament is called War at the Shore. The trip is being made possible through the help of VI Martial Arts Development Association, as well as a local donor who is excited to see VI youth hit the mat against top talent. Our USVI News' Ali Bourne-Vanek caught up with them before they took off for the tournament.
I am very excited because it's the first time I get to go on a tournament, and I can't wait to go. I'm looking forward to doing my best to not get anything, well, to not mess up, of course, and to possibly take first place.
My name is Giovanni David. I'll be doing step by MP, and with your permission, I will now begin.
It's a great job you guys are doing, and I want to thank you for sharing this with the community. And with that, I want to offer a small token of my appreciation for what you are doing in our community. This is a check to cover the airfare for 3 of your students. I see 2 of them here, and 1 of them is here somewhere as well. I'm just grateful for what you do in the community. This is just a small token of appreciation. Hopefully the kids will bring back a big trophy for us, and we all will be proud.
The other thing that's really exciting about this is that all the action movie stars will be there that you see on television. Michael Jai White and Cynthia Rothrock, people like that. So not only are they going to have this great trip and compete with some of the best people in the country, but they're going to meet some of the people that are in the movies that they see in the videos.
My advice to any of the girls is don't give up, achieve your goal, and always strive for success.
I've seen the discipline she brings home.
And we wish them the best of luck. They look great. Now to the latest active COVID-19 case counts here in the territory. According to the latest numbers from the Virgin Islands Department of Health, there are 839 active COVID cases territory-wide, with 476 cases on St. Croix, 306 on St. Thomas, and 57 on St. John. While cases seem to be remaining steady right now, with just slight increases from Wednesday on all of the islands. This week, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention added 5 more Caribbean island destinations to its highest level of travel risk for COVID-19. Those destinations are the Dominican Republic, Guadalupe, Jamaica, St. Bartholomew, and St. Martin. The highest risk travel category for the virus is level 4, which is very high risk. The CDC puts a destination at level 4 when there are more than 500 cases per 100,000 residents in the previous 28 days. Travelers are advised to avoid going to level 4 nations. In all, 15 locations were moved to level 4 this week. In total, about 120 places are now in the highest category, including the U.S. Virgin Islands. We could all use some encouraging news when it comes to the pandemic, and now we have some to share. Based on data from just one hospital in the state of Pennsylvania, the latest COVID-19 surge appears to have reached its peak. Fueled by wild community spread of the Omicron variant during and right after the holidays, St. Vincent Hospital saw its highest ever level of hospitalization since the pandemic began in early January. The hospital's president and CEO, Dr. Christopher Clark, says the current drop in testing as well as hospitalizations is very dramatic, and he's cautiously optimistic the surge in this Pennsylvania town as well as across the nation may have peaked.
Early indication is that we have reached our peak because we've seen a decrease in the demand for testing over the last week. We've seen a decrease in the number of patients requiring hospitalization as well. So specifically at AH and St. Vincent, our hospitalizations went down by 36% compared to the previous week.
And according to national numbers, hospitalizations are down across the nation as well. Dr. Clark believes across the nation not all of the recent surge was Omicron. He believes the more dangerous Delta variant is still around, although he is encouraged. And of course, the best way to protect against COVID-19 is to get vaccinated and boosted if you're eligible. But you may also help boost your immune system by feeding your body the right foods. Here's a look at how and why. Across the U.S. and here in the VI, COVID-19 cases seem to be plateauing, but the Omicron variant is still a threat. Vaccines and boosters are the best protection, but another weapon may be a healthy diet.
Some of the obvious things that we always want to look at is antioxidants, phytonutrients. We're going to get those from plant-based whole foods and foods that have a lot of color.
Cleveland Clinic dietitian Kristen Kirkpatrick says colorful foods have a lot of vitamins and minerals that may help arm your body. She says vitamin C may help prevent or shorten infection, while vitamin D may help support immune health. We get a lot of vitamin D from the sun here in the Virgin Islands, but supplements can also help.
It's also important to talk about things that make the immune system less likely to perform well. So that is highly processed food, fast foods, added sugars. Those all negatively impact gut health. They all negatively impact the immune system as well.
Kirkpatrick recommends switching to a diet primarily plant-based. Consuming whole foods can keep your immune system strong. Aside from diet, you can also help immune health by getting enough sleep and staying active. I need to take some of that advice myself. Kirkpatrick says getting enough probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber is also important and can lead to a healthy gut, which promotes immune health as well.